Okay, rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written in AB form, A divided by B. A and B have to be integers, positive or negative whole numbers, and B cannot be equal to 0. So the numbers below, are they rational numbers? Okay, real quickly here, 46, that is a rational number because you could write it as 46 divided by 1. 4/5 is 4 divided by 5. It's already in that AB form. 1 1/4, you could write that as an improper fraction. 5/4, so that is a rational number. And decimals are also rational numbers. 1/10 can be written as 1/10, 1 divided by 10. Okay, so what's not a rational number? Almost everything we're going to use in 6th grade is a rational number, but pi, okay, goes on and on and on. It's not a rational number. You can't write it in that A divided by B form, where A and B are both integers. Another example of an irrational number would be the square root of 3. Type that in your calculator, and you'll get this big long thing, and it goes on and on and on, and that cannot be written in the A divided by B form. Okay, so a rational number is any number that can be written as A divided by B, where A and B are integers, and B is not equal to 0. Decimals, fractions, and integers are all rational numbers. Let's look at a couple of examples here. What point on the number line is represented by the green dot, and is it a rational number? Now, the first thing you have to look at with your number line is how is it divided? Okay, what does each one of these little tick marks mean? So count them up and we'll see. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. That number, that one unit is divided into fourths. Okay, so that from here to here, we've got 3/4. Okay, so that is a rational number. If I wanted to write it as a decimal, I could do 3 divided by 4 and get 75 hundredths. All right, now this number line is divided a little bit differently. Now again, we're going to start by counting the tick marks here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that unit is divided into 6. And you can see we're looking at the green dot, and the green dot is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the way in there. So that is a rational number. You can write it in 5 and 6 are both integers. Okay, 5 divided by 6, if you can write it in that form, and the bottom number is not 0. All right, how about the red point over here? Let's take a look at that. So we know the number line is divided into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this number is between -1 and -2. So it's -1 and 2/6. Okay, and I could also write that as -8/6. So that is a rational number. Okay, let's look at one more example. All right, what point is represented by the purple dot on the number line? So let's get a purple dot in. Let's call it a red dot. Okay, so again, the first thing to do always is to see how your number line is divided. So here's from 0 to 1, it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So each segment is a fourth. So looking at this line over here, I've got between -1 and -2. So it's -1 and 1/4. Okay. How can I graph 1 3/8 on this number line? I'm going to go over here now, and I want to find 1 3/8 on the number line. This number line is, so I know that's going to be in here. It's going to be, it's more than 1, it's less than 2. This number line is divided into fourths. Okay. So if this is 1 and 1/4, I'm going to write an equivalent fraction. 1 and 1/4 is equal to 1 and 2/8. Okay, so this point right here is 1 and 2/8. That's 1 and 4/8. So that if I wanted to graph 1 and 3/8, it's going to be right between 1 and 2/8 and 1 and 4/8. That's 1 and 3/8. And is that a rational number? It is, because I can make it an improper fraction. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11/8. So I'm back in that A divided by B form. Okay, so rational numbers. A rational number is any number that can be written as A divided by B, as long as B is not equal to 0, and A and B are both integers, positive or negative whole numbers. Decimals, fractions, and integers are all rational numbers. Always remember to take a good look at how that number line is divided up before you start.